Introducing the OPTEX Bridge Complete Indoor Visual Alarm System Kit, your comprehensive visual security solution. The Bridge Comprehensive Visual Security Solution is versatile and works seamlessly by itself or alongside your existing burglar alarm hardware. The Bridge system can be self-monitored or connected to a professional monitoring center, giving you peace of mind no matter how you choose to use it. For end users, it's as simple as installing the mobile app, allowing you to monitor multiple premises from a single mobile app, anytime, anywhere. Central station operators can assess situations within seconds, deciding to dismiss false alarms, dispatch authorities, or notify you for instant control via the app. The Bridge System Kit includes one CKB308 OPTEX Visual Verification Bridge and 4 Insight Cube Visual Verification devices for indoor application. The CKB308 Bridge is an 8-channel visual monitoring powerhouse, allowing seamless pairing with any on-viv cameras to any alarm panel zones, and sends central stations pre- and post-alarm videos within 5 seconds. The Insight Cube is a PIR-based two-way audio and visual security indoor device, ensuring the fastest, most accurate, and complete indoor security solution. Together, the OPTEX Bridge Comprehensive Visual Alarm Solution creates a one-stop shop for all your security monitoring needs, offering you ultimate protection and unmatched peace of mind. Contact us today for a product demonstration and experience the future of security